This homework assignment asks you to do a lot of things with the three functions down here at the bottom. And you notice in part C, I ask you to write out the algebraic equivalent of r of x equals f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. And I ask you to expand and simplify the definition of r of x using graphing calculators expand and simplify commands. So I wanted to show you a short video of what that means. So you'll see over here in my graphing calculator window, I have a different function than any of the ones in your homework. And I wrote the definition of what r of x should look like for a generic function f. And I wanted to show you how to use graphing calculator to make your algebra a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type the actual representations of what f of x plus h is. So f of x plus h means plug in x plus h wherever you see an x. So that would be 3 times x plus h squared minus 7 times x plus h plus 1. So this whole thing is f of x plus h, and then I'm going to subtract f of x, which is 3x squared minus 7x plus 1, and then I want to divide that whole thing by h. Okay, and so graphing calculator is neat because what I can do is I can select little pieces at a time if I want to, and I could go to the math bar and say expand, and it'll do the multiplication to expand out that expression, so the foiling that some of you referenced in class. I can select more of the terms if I want to and ask it to simplify, so that only removed some parentheses because notice that I haven't expanded this out yet. So let me go ahead and select everything and ask it to expand. Whoops. Okay, well, I guess I just jumped the gun. So the point is graphing calculator will do a lot of simplification for you. And then if I want to, now I can say, okay, well, that's going to equal, in the numerator, I have h times 6x plus 3h minus 7 if I factor out the h, and then that's all over h. So then the h divided by h will reduce to 1, and I'm just left with the 6x plus 3h minus 7. Okay, and so this would be my simplified r of x function. Okay, that is what I wanted to share with you. Okay, have fun.